Hello YouTube! It's been a while since I uploaded my first ever video tutorial, which is about thumb around trick. For today, I will be making another video tutorial on pen spinning, which is about the finger pass tutorial. Finger pass is one of the basic pen spinning tricks. Being able to master this trick requires your flexibility in your fingers. But before we go to the tutorial proper, I will show you a short clip on how to execute the finger pass. So guys, based on my experience, I am going to hold my pen mode at the bottom position, holding it with my ring finger and my pinky finger. Move it upward, catching it using your middle finger. As soon as the middle finger gets hold of the pen mode, you may now release your pinky finger, just like this. Move it upward, catching it using your index finger. And as soon as your index finger holds the pen mode, you may now release your middle finger, your ring finger rather. Then your pen mode is at the top position right now. We are now going to move it down by passing it to our ring finger, just like this, releasing your index finger. Move it down again, holding it with your pinky finger, releasing your middle finger. Move it upward again, holding it with your middle finger, releasing your pinky finger. Move it up, catching it with your index finger, releasing your ring finger. Repeat the steps again and again until you can perform the finger pass. Constant practice makes it easy for you to master the trick. Eventually, you will become your fingers will be flexible enough to demonstrate or execute the finger pass trick. So thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.